Welcome to Wealth Creation Investing. My name is Forex Joe. In today's session, we're going to be talking about what is most important in becoming a big lights trader. As I show everybody that ever attends any of my classes, we continually show these gears, and these gears are for a 15-minute chart, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. And the purpose of the exercise is to show how a 15-minute has to roll over and how much work has to be done going into a 1 hour, and how it slows down with a 1 hour going into a 4 hour into a daily, weekly, and monthly. Everything that I do in the Forex markets is based on the previous 24-hour charts. Then every day at 5 o'clock Central, 6 o'clock Eastern, I spit out some numbers, and I am looking to go left to right. I'm looking at a daily chart, weekly chart, and monthly chart because I'm looking for certain numbers to reoccur to where I can pick up hundreds of pips, and in some cases stay into trades with wiggle room and stay into trades for thousands of pips. That's where I differ from a lot of other traders. I am strictly a swing position trader. Now, we teach all styles of trading: scalping, day trading, swing, and position. But anytime you hear me discuss anything that has to do with the Forex markets about myself, I am referring to looking at this chart, this daily chart, weekly and monthly, trying to accumulate as many pips as possible. During my journey, I came up with big lights traders versus big lights strategy. This was based off of certain software that I used when I first started back in early 2000. And during the process, I learned about daily charts, weekly charts, and monthly charts, and the pips that would be yielded if you were patient enough to wait for those trades. So what is the most important need or area that I'm looking at in becoming a big lights trader, which I do have trademarked? As I start thinking about this concept, number one, I always have a light bulb moment in the Forex markets. I've been doing this since 2001, and one of the absolutes in the Forex market that keeps me coming back is the fact that there are always curveballs being thrown. You must learn to improvise, adapt, and overcome. So when taking a look at what's important in becoming a big lights trader, one would think that chart reading would be. Those understanding charts and understanding how technicals or fundamentals work in candlesticks. One might think that reoccurring numbers would be of vast importance in the Forex markets. I did an exhaustive 30-year study for a great number of years on currency pairs, and reoccurring numbers happens a lot in the Forex markets. When you're looking at specific entries, before you ever push the button, much like a championship quarterback walking up into the red zone, then you must know the play. If you don't already have a predetermined entry and exit strategy in place, then you are not prepared in a $4 trillion market, the most liquid market on earth today. What about your stop loss? Risk management is very important. What about where to take profit, as we alluded to? What about understanding a zero risk and gravy train situation? Now, I grew up in the Midwest. I created this zero risk gravy train situation that takes all the emotion, fear, and self-doubt out of the middle of the trades and out of your hands. And of course, you must have trade management. If I'm going to be into a trade for a period of time, which might be days, weeks, or years, then there must be some sort of trade management. Portfolio management is very important. I don't want to have all my eggs in one basket, and we have seen in the past few years how and what happens when markets collapse. What about the global perspective? We talk about what's been happening of late in Greece, in Spain, overseas, what's been happening in Great Britain, Australia, or what I think is the second most important area, mindset. You must have the correct mindset when trading in the Forex markets. So what is the most important in becoming a big lights trader? Everything that I've just shared with you is important. You must be able to fully grasp and understand and you must keep it simple. Many people fail because of inexperience in the Forex markets. Many are on the cusp of greatness and they're ready to succeed, but because they won't take it one step further, they will fail. If you'd like to expand your horizons in the Forex markets, keep coming back here and keep learning as we continue these series. My name is Forex Joe for Wealth Creation Investing. I'll see you next time.